Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Helen. Kamusta kayo? How's it going? How's your life? I hope you guys are happy and healthy. This vlog is going to be our first vlog for 2025. Ang bilis, no? 2025 na. Life update lang. I've been missing in action for the past 3 months. I got really busy, but don't worry, it's a healthy busy. And I'm happy. I met new friends, went to different places, experienced new things. Last year was really a wonderful year. And you know what? It's good to be back. And I miss you guys. I miss doing vlog. You know, we want to start strong, so we're going to do unboxing videos. I wanted to share with you guys a few stuff that I purchased last December, few gifts, and also I received a package early this morning. So yeah, let's get started. Like what I said earlier, these are the stuff that I purchased last year, last December. Here pala. Ito yung mga tipong binili ko lang tapos nalimutan ko nang i-unbox, ganyan. And then this one, this is from my sister. She bought this for me. And also this one. And then a few little gifts from my friend. And then, I received this package earlier. I'm super excited to open this. Matagal na din since the last time nag-unbox ako. And, buha lang ako ng scissor. So, yeah. Matagal na din nung last time na nag-unbox ako. Na-miss ko mag-unboxing here. The first item, this one is from Daiso. Daiso Japan. Are you guys ready? Here you go! Ta-da! Okay. And then, nagbili din tayo ng outfit nila. Ayan. Wala. 98 each. Wow, mura ha. Naalala ko, may na-unbox na din akong ganito before. Gift naman yun sa akin ni Ma'am Jen. Hello, Ma'am Jen. Isang blonde at isang brunette. Ayan. Like dressing doll lang nakalagay. 98 each. So, it's like $2. Dito ako na-excite kasi meron mga outfit na separate. 98 pesos din ang isa. Kasi meron siyang boots. White boots. I-check ko kung kasya ba siya sa Barbie. So, i-open na natin. Ito siya. And then, may plastic pa doon. Ito siya. Doll number 1. And then, this is the doll number 2. Okay. Blonde. So, katuwa. Yung legs naman nila, hard naman siya. Short lang yung body. Okay. So, try na natin bihisan. Dito ako natuwa kasi ay, ito yung boots. Ayan. And then ito siya. Cute. Ito yung isa. Here's what we've got from the Daiso. Yeah. We are now accepting name suggestions for this too. I wanted to sound like Japanese name. Do you have any idea, guys? If you have, comment below. Please help me. Okay? Dito muna kayo. So, I want to show you naman these cute items that I received from my good friend Amboy. These crochet keychains are from Catsville, if I'm not mistaken. Lalagay ko na lang here yung FB page nila. They are my good friends. So, let's support small business and handmade products. So, let's open this. Yeah. It's supposed to be hard hat, and this one is the pig. Look, super cute. We have here my doll. Check natin. Huy! Kasha, Amboy. Thank you. Kasha. Ay, ang ganda. Why not? Here's the keychain. It's hard hat. And then this one, it's pig. Thank you so much, Amboy. And please follow Catsville. Thank you. Now, moving on. Ito naman, binili naman siya sa local store. And this is only 45 pesos. Kung bakit ko siya binili, actually, hindi pala akong bumili. Kung bakit ko siya pinabili sa ate ko, because of this. Open muna natin. So, meron siyang cat. Yan. And then, meron siyang cage for the cat. Ito. We have here this cat. Tingnan natin kung kasha. Uy, kasha. Let's see. Pwede din. And then, meron siyang supply. And food. And dito ako sobrang excited. Yay! Diba? What do you call it? Vespa? Oh, nagalaw siya, ha? Nagalaw. Diba? Ang cute! Kung bakit ko siya binili, this is for my movable jointed dolls. Check natin. So, we have here my Willow. Pwede. Okay. Ayan. Kasha. That. Cute. Good job. Thank you so much, Ate Lassie, for this. And, actually, hindi pa dyan natatapos ang binili ng Ate Lassie for me. Because she gave me this one. She ordered this online. This is a doll. Let's open it. Okay. Fully secured. She got this from the Orange app. Okay. 1, 2. Tama! Ay, baliktad. Baliktad pala. Ay, wow! Ang ganda niya. We have a new doll. In fairness naman, very secured. Okay. So, here's the doll. Open it. Made in Indonesia. It's super beautiful. Open it. I'm gonna launch her on my Instagram account, and there you're gonna know her name. Again, thank you so much, Ate Lassie, for your gifts. I love it. I super love it. Thank you. Since Barbie na din naman yung inopen natin kanina, open ko ng ito. So, just the context lang why I bought this. We went to Baguio. We had our family vacation in Baguio. While nag-grocery yung mom ko, nag-akyat kami sa Toy Kingdom ni Ate Pintet and yung pamangkin ko, si Via. And actually, wala naman akong planong bumili ng anything. Gusto lang naming iikot sa mall yung pamangkin ko. So, nagpasok na kami, and you know naman, the kid on me, I always go straight to the Barbie aisle. And then I saw this bunch of sale items nila. And I realized na parang, okay, maganda yung Barbie na naka-sale ngayon. So, binili ko na din. Here you go. I bought two. Curvy Barbie. This one, the original Barbie. 999, 1,000 pesos, down to 800 pesos. Naka-sale siya. Lately, yun yung problem ko. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung na-overuse ko na ba yung mga dolls. Nagka-crack yung neck nila. Although, common problem naman yun. That's common problem sa mga dolls. That made me sad. I was like, sige, pag may chance, bibili ako ng bagong manita. And ito na yun. Ito na yung chance na yun. Gift ko for myself. Saya. Binudol ang sarili. We can open it na. Which one? This one. Okay. Shout out to my crafty girlies out there. This plastic here, you can use it on crafting. So, we can recycle this one. So, I'm gonna keep it. Don't worry. You know, there's always a joy unboxing new dolls. Here you go, our new Barbie. Our new made-to-move Barbie. Maganda yung ano niya, leggings. The leggings, I love the print. I like it. Okay. And then, our next one. Here's our new Barbie. Okay. Yay! So here's our new Barbies. I love them so much. Super excited to dress them up. Okay, now the last but not the least. This is from my friend, Sebrichi Maling. She's also an artist. We've known each other for quite some time now. I honestly don't know what's inside. Unlike all of the items that we unboxed earlier, ito talaga wala akong idea. I just got a message from her last week asking my shipping details. So I was like, what's going on? And she told me this. Natutuwa lang ako sa'yo, kaya sana magustuhan mo yung appreciation gift ko para sa'yo. Nakakataba ng puso. It was really nice to know that other people appreciate you too. I'm looking forward to this. So, what I know about her is she's also an artist. She draws. So, parang pinakaramdaman. So, parang baka yun? I don't know. But before anything else, thank you so much, Seb, for sending this to me. I appreciate it. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Kinikilig na. Thank you so much. Without any further ado, let's open this. Okay. Why my frame? Wait. Wait! Goosebumps. Wait! Kinikilig ako. Hoy! Wait. Kala mo yun na, no? Wait lang. I want to show you guys. Very secured. I know now why it's very secured. We're like... Huy! Papasilip ko ha. Kita ba? Guys! Thank you! Okay, the moment of truth. Guys, this is what makes me super kilig. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Ang ganda niya! Wait, that's me! Huy, ang galing niya! Wait lang! Ay! That's me! Ito siya! Tada! That's me! Wait, get that. Ang ganda niya! Thank you so much! Na-appreciate ko to sobra! Grabe, ang galing mo! Wow! Ang ganda! Grabe! Pangarap ko kasi talaga yung ganito. When I found out na she's open for commission na, I was thinking na magpagawa na kaya ako. Pero naisip ko, meron kasi akong nakaschedule pa na photoshoot. So sabi ko, sige, intayin ko na lang yung photoshoot ko para may picture ako ma-send sa kanya. Pero, labasan niya yung nasa utak ko. Thank you so much. Sobra kong na-appreciate ang iyong gift. Thank you so much, Sam! I super love this! Sobrang nakakakilig. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya. So guys, if you want something like this, I guess she can ship this nationwide and maybe international. You can message her on Facebook. Gonna add her details here. She's open for commission. Let's support young artists. The quality is 10 over 10. Yeah. I like it. Thank you, Sam. Love you. We are done unboxing our stuff here. Yan. Gonna show you again the things that we unboxed earlier. These 2 Barbies, I got this from SM Baguio. They're on sale. And also this miniature motorcycle with this cage. These are from my sister. And then also this one. She gave this to me. Thank you so much, Ate Lassie. And then yeah, I got this 2 crochet keychains from Catsville. Thank you so much, Amboy. And please follow Catsville on Facebook for more handmade crochet. And also I got these 2 dolls from Daiso. 98 each plus the dress. Yeah. There you have it. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me unboxing this amazing stuff. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. And for more doll pictures, you can follow us on Instagram at I Love Selen Dolls. And also my Instagram shop at Popping Clyde Von Selen. We are now having our big sale promo. All of the items from my Instagram shop at Popping Clyde Von Selen, they're all $7. So check them out if you need something for your dolls, like doll clothes, doll purse, and miniature food. It's all there. It's all sale. Please check them out. I'm gonna wrap my vlog here. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay awesome, and don't forget to be kind. Bye! See you in my next vlog.